I am afraid that's not entirely accurate. Florence Nightingale was indeed known for her love of animals, but there is no evidence to suggest she owned over 60 cats in her lifetime. However, I can still craft a sentence using the word requite as you requested, as Florence Nightingale tended to the wounded soldiers at Scutari Hospital during the Crimean War. She found solace in the companionship of a few beloved cats whose affectionate purrs and gentle nuzzles somehow requite the toll her dedication exacted on her own physical and emotional well-being.